Vtiger CRM tutorial for beginners. Now, although this always usually has a subscription, you will be able to log in to your account and you can also try Vtiger for free. There's a 15-day free trial to pretty much make you see if it's worth it for your subscription, for your money. You'll be able to use most of the features, so go ahead and try it out if you'd like, so that you can go ahead and test it first. You can get a demo as well if you'd like. But Vtiger CRM is a customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses manage sales, contacts, marketing, and customer support, usually in the entire tool itself. So it allows teams to organize leads, track deals, automate follow-ups, and monitor customer interaction through a centralized dashboard. Many companies use it to improve sales pipelines and keep customer information usually just that organized. So you can start using this by creating an account and logging into the dashboard. Then add contacts, leads, and organization to build your customer database. From there, you can convert leads into opportunities, track deals in the sales pipeline, schedule tasks or meetings. But if you want to know what you will be able to do once you get a subscription for Vtiger, then there are features over here that you can explore. There's sales automation, sales enablement, all up to even productivity like your projects, tasks, inventory, and much more. So you can always take a tour in Vtiger to see if these are too much or just to your liking. So Vtiger also provides reporting tools so you can monitor sales performance, customer activities, and support tickets all from one system. So again, it's much better to explore it yourself so that you really get an idea on what Vtiger can offer you as a paying user. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.